Life can be a party with our new TGP gel polish collection, Fiesta. This is a very colorful collection, starting with this beautiful pink called Cabaret, followed by this nice sea blue, blue Curacao. And how about this light yellow called Lovebird? We also love this sweet orange, Tangelo. And not only do we have a stunning light yellow, this light green is also an eye-catcher, Leek Green, followed by this warm blue, which reminds us of Marrakesh nights. And of course the color of the year, Viva Magenta. Then this soft color, Fizzy Peach, just as nice as the taste of a fresh peach. More into green, no problem. We have a classic one. And last but not least, a beautiful red, fiery red. Absolutely stunning, right? We hope you just fell in love with these colors, just as we did. Apply one of these TGP colors and enjoy 2 weeks of a perfect manicure. If you would like to place an order, please contact your account manager. No party will ever be the same again. Stay tuned for what's coming up next.